She'll be 18 in 6 years.
Come back in 6 years.
I'll come back in 6 years.
Where is the mother? Oups. La question de Louis, c'est comment il aimerait voir son personnage évoluer. How would you like to see your character to evolve in the show?
Ooh. This isn't going to be in the public, right? No one's going to hear this answer.
Ça va rester entre nous.
No problem. Thank you for the assurance. You know, I had to, very early on in this process, season 2, I was very disenchanted with where Damon was as a character. Because I'm used to being the suave, funny, villain dude who, bites everybody and screws all the women and drinks lots of booze and has fun. Fucks with his brother, really has a blast. And then Damon started to have a conscience and a heart and all this shit that I never thought he would have. And didn't care for him to have. And I actually was pretty upset about it. And Kevin Williamson sat me down and basically said, shut up and listen. That life changes. We evolve as people throughout our lives. So it's not this one guy who's a villain all the time for 6 years of a TV show. Is that it's not just one character. He's not one way. He's not just a villain. This is an arc. This is a 120 episode arc of a man's life. 5 or 6 years. So he has to change and evolve. And just like life, not every day is going to be a good day. It's just never going to happen that way. And I had to realize that and accept that and embrace that. So what I'd like to see Damon do, to get to your question, is I would like to see Damon, now that he's no longer pining for Catherine and Elena, that he evolves again and goes back to, sort of having his mojo and having fun with shit again, and go back to the task of not having to protect Elena as much, and not having to look for Catherine. Oh, why don't they love me? Oh, why don't they love me? Fuck that. Let's have fun. Right? That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
C'est une série qui dure 6 ans, donc obligatoirement le personnage évolue. Et le personnage de Damon en saison 2, qui était le Damon avec une conscience, qui protégeait, c'était pas son Damon à lui. Et c'était pas la facette du personnage qu'il a préférée. Il aime le Damon qui boit, le Damon qui avec toutes les filles, qui... J'ai dit que je traduirais pas tout. Qu'il y a des aventures avec toutes les filles. They want me to translate fuck. I don't want to translate fuck.
You gotta do it. This is your job.
I'm changing it. Elle a 12 ans. Elle a posé la question, elle a 12 ans. C'est pas moi qui le dirai.
It's a natural part of life.
D'accord.
Meanwhile, she's 12. Her mother is going to kill me. After they arrest me. Sorry.
Donc, il aime beaucoup la facette de Damon, qui drague toutes les filles, qui a beaucoup d'aventures, qui boit, qui picole, qui fait la fête, qui sont fous. Il veut plus ce Damon qui pleure pour Catherine, qui pleure pour Elena. Pourquoi est-ce qu'elle ne m'aime pas? Et il veut plus non plus être le Damon qui protège tout le temps Elena.
Right?
Il veut plus être tout ça. Il veut le mec qui... Il veut... Bordel, il veut s'amuser, quoi. Il veut...
Right?
Il veut s'éclater.
Yeah!
Il y en a marre d'être le pleurnichard de service, là, à toujours se demander pourquoi il n'est jamais aimé de personne.
Why not? Oh, I love you back. I love the energy in here. It's so great. There's so much estrogen. It's like a truckload, a boatload of estrogen. It's awesome.
Cargaison d'hormones.
Clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sexy and you know it, then something will clearly show it. If you're sexy and you know it, clap your hands. There you go. See?
I love you!
I love you.
Sabrina Darzier. Sabrina, show you.